Sani Bonani, I'm Miss J. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making amadumbe. But before we do that, have you subscribed? If you haven't subscribed, do the right thing. Please subscribe. And for those that have subscribed, thank you. Asante sana. As I said, I'm making amadumbe. This is such an interesting product. It's a vegetable, falls in the roots vegetable family with potatoes, with sweet potatoes, tulips, and yeah, they are full of nutrients and they grow very well in the coastal regions. Very good products for vegetarians as well. And if you're not vegetarian, it's actually just an amazing product. And today I'm actually going to make curry. The traditional way of doing it, you just boil it and sprinkle with salt afterwards and just eat it and skin it and just eat it. It is just, it's that taste, it's an acquired taste. Not everyone loves it, but I mean, I grew up eating it and it's just amazing. So today I'm just putting a twist and I'm gonna make amadumbe curry. Let's get cooking. Ingredients are amadumbe, garlic, green pepper, onion, and tomatoes. So I'm now gonna add in amadumbe, and I've cut them so small because they take a little bit longer to cook. Remember, they are root vegetables, so it takes a little bit while to cook. So I'm just cut them nice and small. So I'm just gonna add them and roast them. So I prefer to put my tomato, when I make my curry, I prefer to put my tomatoes in the process because they bring out the nice flavor, but also the liquid, so that I don't put a lot of stock or a lot of water because the tomatoes have already built the flavor. So, but you can put them towards the end if you prefer that. There's no scientific procedure about it. We're gonna put the heat down and then allow this to simmer. I'll add a little bit of water to allow it to cook fully. It smells divine already. So we're gonna let it simmer for about 20 minutes. I'll just keep on checking it in between. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe, drop me a comment, like, let me know what you'd like me to cook next time. And it's simmering. Don't be so pushy. My amadumbe curry has been simmering for 20 minutes and now I'm gonna zhuzh it up. I'm just gonna add peas. It tastes Divine. We're ready to dish up. There we have it, Amadumbe curry. It's a different way of actually using amadumbe. You can boil them, you can make, can steam them. I know in Uganda they steam them. In Ghana they also steam them and they also simmer them. And the traditional way in KwaZulu-Natal, we boil them and eating them like that. But today we're doing a different method. We are actually having them as a curry. Let's dig in. Mmm, 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 mmm. Oh, delicious. Try them at home. Let me know how you actually did them. Drop me a comment. Like my video. Yeah, so divine. It's been awesome. Thank you. Asante sana.